Hi, I'm Pete from SKF. Today I'm going to show you how to properly install an ABS wheel speed sensor on a 2004 to 2008 Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon hub. Now, many people have called into the tech hotline asking, why do we not have the ABS speed sensor already installed on the wheel bearing? And in the next segment, I'm going to show you guys why we don't. Now, many of you have called in asking why we don't have the ABS speed sensor cord already installed on the wheel bearing assembly. And the reason why we don't have the speed sensor cord already installed is because there are 6 different types of speed sensors that go on that application. But there's only 2 part number bearings, one for a 2-wheel drive, one for a 4-wheel drive. Now, the other thing is that it's actually more cost effective and it simplifies distribution if we sell the actual sensor cord separately than with the bearing. Now you need to choose the correct ABS speed sensor for your application. And remember, this tech tip video only applies to 2004 to 2008 Chevy Colorados and GMC Canyons. So, first thing you need to do is make sure that you have an 04 to 08 Colorado or Canyon. Second, figure out if you have a 2-wheel drive or a 4-wheel drive application. Third, you're going to need to know, do you need a left side wheel speed sensor or a right side wheel speed sensor? Fourth, you need to find the RPO code for your suspension for the 2-wheel drive applications only. And the reason why we have the 2-wheel drive applications only is because if you look at these 2 speed sensors right here, you'll notice that clip locations, wire length, and bracket locations are different on 2-wheel drive applications. So you will have to find that RPO code. Usually it will be either a Z71, Z85, or a ZQ8 suspension. Now you guys are going to run into this situation where you're going to be replacing that hub assembly, pulling out the old hub assembly, and you're going to be comparing it to the new SKF unit that you just went and purchased. And what you're going to find is that the old hub assembly that you pulled off has an exposed tone ring on it. And the new and improved design that we have at SKF is an integrated tone ring which is built into the back of the seal here. After you've purchased your SKF hub bearing assembly and SKF wheel speed sensor, now it's time to put it all together. First thing we need to do is take our speed sensor and align it to the 2 narrow bosses on the wheel bearing assembly itself. You'll notice that it's a 4-bolt mounting flange. It doesn't make a difference if you go on this side of the 2 narrows or on the other side of the 2 narrows. But what you need to do is you need to align that sensor cord harness with the middle of these 2 bosses right here. And what we do is, first thing we do, we align it, take our installation tool here and our hammer, listen for the thump, and we're ready to go. Thank you everybody for watching this tech tip video. Always remember, don't compromise safety, install confidence with SKF hub bearings and seals. For full product information, visit skfpartsinfo.com.